In today's video, we're diving deep into Vose AI, one of the newest, most promising AI software releases on the market. If you're looking to streamline your business, automate tasks, or gain insights into data in ways you never imagined before, you'll want to stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why Vose AI is making waves and how it can make your work a whole lot easier. Plus, I'll give you the opportunity to try it for free. Just check the first link below. First off, let's talk about what makes Vose AI stand out from the sea of new AI tools hitting the market. Unlike many other AI tools, Vose AI is designed with user-friendliness in mind. Whether you're a digital marketer, content creator, or business owner, you don't need to be a tech expert to get the most out of it. The interface is incredibly intuitive, and it integrates seamlessly with multiple platforms, saving you time and effort. Now let's dive into some of the core features. The first thing you'll notice is the AI's ability to automate a wide variety of tasks. From data collection to report generation, Vose AI doesn't just help you save time, it helps you streamline your entire workflow. For example, its automated marketing and social media tools are excellent for scheduling posts, generating content ideas, and even crafting copy that's tailored to your audience. What sets Vose AI apart is its deep learning capabilities. It learns your preferences and gets better the more you use it. So, if you're doing repetitive tasks, like keyword research or competitor analysis, Vose AI can take over and handle those tasks on its own with increasing accuracy. The AI adapts to your business's needs, making it a true asset rather than just another tool. Another crucial thing you need to know is Vose AI's robust data analytics. It allows you to track the performance of your campaigns in real time. By analyzing customer behavior, traffic sources, and engagement metrics, Vose AI helps you make data-driven decisions faster. This is particularly helpful for businesses that rely on quick pivots or need to optimize their marketing strategies on the fly. One of the most appealing aspects of Vose AI is its affordability. For a tool that offers this level of functionality, its pricing is surprisingly competitive. Whether you're a small business just starting out or an established company looking to scale, Vose AI has pricing plans that make sense. And the best part? You can start with a free trial so you can see exactly how the software works before committing. Speaking of which, if you're on the fence about trying it, I strongly recommend you click the link in the description and give it a go. The free trial offers full access to all the features, which means you get to experience firsthand how Vose AI can transform your workflow without any risk. Now, here's something that could seriously benefit you down the line. Vose AI integrates with a variety of third-party apps and tools, making it extremely versatile. Whether you're managing your email, marketing platform, CRM, or even accounting software, you can connect Vose AI to all of them, centralizing your operations and making everything easier to manage from one place. But here's the kicker. Vose AI isn't just about automating tasks, it's about smart automation. It anticipates your needs and makes intelligent recommendations. It can optimize your social media posts based on engagement patterns, suggest content strategies based on trending topics, and even predict future performance metrics. It's like having a digital marketing assistant who's constantly on the lookout for ways to improve your results. To wrap things up, if you're serious about simplifying your business processes and boosting your productivity, Vose AI could be exactly what you need. Remember, you can try it for free right now by clicking the link below. And if you're still unsure, don't worry. I've spent countless hours testing AI software, and after trying thousands of tools, Vose AI is one of my top recommendations. So check out the link in the description, start your free trial, and experience the power of Vose AI for yourself. Thanks for watching.